All right, so looking at your problem here, you are in. I think you're doing pretty much okay. The issue, you got part A right, so now your issue with part B is this. Is here. It's relatively simple. Assuming your portfolio is to contain 3 mutual funds. So right here is where you picked your mutual funds, because there was a total of 4 to choose from. Now your mistake is this: how you did the math. You're choosing 3 from the 4. And the way you did it is a permutation, because if you are doing decisions and choices, decisions and choices, decisions and choices, meaning you have to make 3 decisions. Which mutual funds are you picking? Right, because we're picking 3 of them. I have 4 choices, then once I've picked one, now I have 3 more choices, now I've picked one, I have 2 more choices. That makes a total of 24 choices. That's telling me order matters. Order is important. That's like saying I have choice A, B, C, or A, B. Well, actually, let me do this. A, C, B, or C, B, A. Those would all be different. Now, think about your portfolio. Does the order really matter in which you buy mutual funds if you're buying them all, from this broker at the same time? No, it doesn't matter which one gets placed first, second, third. It just means they're in your portfolio. That's all that matters. So, therefore, no permutation. We need combinations. So, this, instead of doing it that way, would be out of my 4, I need to choose 3. I need 3 combinations, 4 combinations of 3. There we go. And the other thing I like to kind of point out about this is, if you think about it, there are 4 mutual funds, A, B, C, D. 4 combinations of 3 is 4. And so therefore what we're saying is I can pick the first, second, third, the first, second, fourth, the first, third, fourth. Anyway, you could go through all of it, and you'll see, there we go, there's only 4 choices. Or the other way of looking at this is saying this number is the same as doing 4 combinations 1. And the reason why is, if you think about it this way, what we're doing is, out of the 4 mutual funds, we're taking 3. So AKA, we're choosing 1 to exclude. Don't take D, don't take C, don't take B, or don't take A. So therefore, you'll notice if you compare and contrast part A to part B, in part A, we're taking 1 of each type. So out of the 4 mutual funds, choose 1 of them. Here we're taking 3 mutual funds, so AKA out of the 4, choose 1 to exclude. It gives you the same number, either which way. You'll notice that this is true for every single one of these. So therefore, this answer is going to be 180. So anyway, go through the problem, you'll see it, and hopefully that makes sense. The big takeaway, you were doing things in permutations. You're doing, by doing the lines with a number, you're saying is, I have to make a decision, how many choices? I have to make a decision, how many choices? And that's saying order matters, so therefore that's a permutation, not a combination. Okay, hope it helps.